Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on adjusting a feature in your WordPress site. In this session you will learn how to navigate the WordPress interface and modify your site settings to turn off the spacer block. Begin by opening your web browser and typing in the address for WordPress. Once you have reached the WordPress homepage, take a moment to become familiar with the layout before proceeding. On the homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner where you will find the login option. Click on the login area to begin the authentication process. This is a standard step that allows you to securely access your WordPress dashboard. After clicking the login button, you will be presented with several login options. Look for the option that says Continue with Google. When you select this option, a prompt will appear allowing you to choose the Google account associated with your WordPress profile. Select the appropriate account to proceed. Once you have successfully logged in, you will be taken to the main dashboard of your WordPress site. This area is designed to be user-friendly and typically features a quick link section. In that section, locate the Edit Site option. Clicking on Edit Site will transport you to the site editor, where most of the customization options are accessible. Upon arriving in the site editor, look towards the top right corner of your screen. There you should see a set of 3 dots. These 3 dots serve as a menu that houses various configuration options. Click on these dots to reveal additional settings. In this expanded menu, find and select Preferences to access the broader range of customization controls. The Preferences option allows you to modify how your site behaves and appears. Within the Preferences section, locate the Blocks category. Clicking on blocks will list the individual building blocks available for your site's design. This list includes various elements that you can enable or disable depending on your design goals. Carefully scroll through the blocks menu until you come across the spacer block. The spacer block is typically used to create space between content areas, but in this guide our goal is to turn it off. When you find the spacer block, proceed to scroll down until you see the toggle or setting that allows you to disable it. By turning off the spacer block, you are opting not to use this particular layout component, which might simplify your design or accommodate other design preferences. Make sure that the toggle is set to off so that the spacer block is disabled. This change will be immediately reflected in your block settings, allowing you to continue customizing other aspects of your site without interference from the spacer block. Following these instructions carefully will let you adjust your site's layout quickly and efficiently. With the spacer block turned off, you can move forward with further design adjustments to create the look and feel you desire for your WordPress site. Enjoy the customization process and the newfound control over your website's design elements.